Everyone, welcome to my channel English with Harendra. Today you can see the weather of this weather is rainy day. Today is very rainy day, and today I will explain something uh, by which you can speak English fluently. If you really want to speak English fluently, so you follow and do subscribe my channel and watch this video till the end, because it is very important for you. If you want to speak English fluently, so you can definitely speak English, but you have to, first thing you have to do every day, you have to speak every day in front of camera, in front of mirror, yeah, in front of pupil. Yes, what will happen, your hesitation has been removed by this process. Yes, definitely your hesitation will be removed, then you can speak English easily, you speak confidently. Yes, it is very important. Second thing, if you want to speak English fluently, so you have to learn something new every day, and after that you have to emerge these type of activity and speak what you learn today, and speak in front of mirror. Yes, you record yourself, record your phone. Yes, definitely you can improve a lot, but people want to a magical trip. Yes, people want to a magical trip. I want to speak English fluently, but I don't want to do practice every day. It cannot be possible. If you want to speak English fluently, you will have to do time to learn this language. It takes time. It is not possible you watch one video, after that you can speak English. It is not possible. You have to focus, you have to emerge, you have to potential, you have to do everything, because you want to speak English. I am not want to speak English, you want to speak English, so you have to speak English at least 5 to 10 minutes every day in front of camera. Record yourself and learn and find out your mistake. Yes, then this video only for you. Then you like this video, please share and subscribe this my channel. Okay, bye bye, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.